What if you could own something that feels almost like a real MotoGP bike, but without being part of a factory team? That's exactly what Aprilia has just revealed with the insane Aprilia X 250th, a track-only hyperbike built in extremely limited numbers and designed to push performance to the absolute edge. At first glance, it may look like a modified Aprilia RSV4 1100 factory, but in reality, this machine goes far beyond anything you'd normally call a superbike. Under the fairing sits a heavily reworked 1,099 cubic centimeter V4 engine, now producing around 240 horsepower. That's a massive jump in performance, putting it dangerously close to actual MotoGP-level power. And with a redline that screams past 14,000 revolutions per minute, this bike is built for one thing only: maximum speed on the track. But the real story isn't just the engine, it's the technology. The Aprilia X250th features carbon-carbon brake discs, the exact same type used in MotoGP. These brakes are incredibly lightweight and designed to perform under extreme heat, something you'd never find on a regular production motorcycle. And it doesn't stop there. Aerodynamics play a huge role in this machine. The bike is equipped with aggressive winglets and advanced bodywork designed to generate real downforce. At high speeds, this helps keep the bike stable, planted, and razor-sharp through corners, just like a full factory race bike. Then comes the chassis setup. You're getting top-tier racing components across the board. Öhlins suspension tuned for the track, forged magnesium wheels to reduce weight, and full slick tires similar to those used in World Superbike competition. Everything about this bike is engineered for lap times. Even the electronics are on another level. The X250th uses Aprilia's APX Racing ECU, allowing detailed adjustments just like professional race teams. Riders can fine-tune traction control, engine braking, throttle response, and much more, all through advanced data systems. And as you'd expect, exclusivity is a huge part of the story. Aprilia is producing only 30 units worldwide, that's it. No mass production, no second batch. Just 30 machines for collectors, racers, and elite enthusiasts. The price? Around $150,000. In the end, the Aprilia X250th isn't made for the streets. And it's not made for everyone. It's built for those who want to experience the absolute limit of performance and are willing to pay for it. So the question is, if you had the chance, would you ride it or keep it as a collector's masterpiece?